Hey guys, I hope that you guys can be able to see me. Welcome to a new vlog. I don't have much time. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much, baby, for coming back to yet another video, or vlog rather. My husband and I actually off to the night market, and I was just confused as to what to wear. But I've decided to wear my black dress that I got from Cotton On. I did do a try on haul, 2 vlogs before this one, 2 to 3 vlogs. So I just want to put on this nude jacket that I got from Zara because I think it actually is still pretty cold, and it's a night event type of thing, and it's going to be outdoor. So I don't want to be cold. I'm just gonna wear my black boots with this. I have on some red lipstick and my cute earrings. Nothing much when it comes to jewelry because the jacket is gonna cover everything. Anyways, let us get going. I don't want to make this intro any longer. The lighting is not that good, but I just wanted to say hi before I mess up this vlog. All right, let's go. Tell me why it's drizzling. Oh my word. But we're almost there, so let's just hope we'll find people there and stalls still up. Oh my god. Manok okay. You don't want? Ah. Oh, the ones you had at the other restaurant the other time again. Yeah. I don't know what all this is. What's it? Nice. Huh? Yeah. I get. But let me just show overview. How cute.
Gone off to see somebody's twins.
Sorry, excuse me.
Norwich. Cara com sinal aqui é Norwich. Hey guys, we're back home. Honestly, there's not much to say about the experience. It was more about food. There was a live band, but I don't think they were playing much. We didn't get to listen to like the music and stuff that they were playing. But I did order a waffle, like 2 triangle waffles, which I feel like is so expensive. And then my husband decided to go for some place. He honestly wanted to get the brisket, slow cooked brisket with some chips on the side. They said they were sold out, so he ended up ordering chicken, only to find out when we were still waiting for the order that they actually do have beef in stock. Like, why would you say that? So yeah, we're quite disappointed. The chicken It honestly didn't look as appetizing as the pulled beef looked. But it's okay. We're back home now. Honestly, there was not much to do at the market. Yeah, it was just for you to come in, buy the food, and bounce, which is exactly what you did. We passed by Aldi to just get some meat for the couple of days and some bread. That's it. So I'm just gonna take this off because I actually did catch a cold. I want to make tea and then I'm gonna get in bed and call it a night. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning! Morning, guys. It's another day in this vlog. Actually, the chicken that my husband and I had from that market, the night market, it wasn't bad, hey? It tasted really, really nice. I think it was just a disappointment that the pulled pork, was it pork or brisket? Or the pulled brisket looked juicier and nicer. It looked more appetizing than the chicken that we got. But taste wise, honestly, it wasn't bad. But we eat a lot of chicken in our house, so it's always great to get like beef or anything else that's not chicken when we're out. So hence why our disappointment. But honestly, it wasn't bad. It really wasn't bad. Hey, so we're gonna go out for like a little grocery shopping type of thing. We're just gonna buy things that we don't have in the house. So I thought, you know what, I should probably clean before we do that, mainly the fridge. I wanna sort out the fridge, just make sure it's clean, man. You know, this is what we have currently. So I'm just gonna take everything out. But I think this side is not bad, hey. So let me just do this area. I'm just gonna wash that and then wipe the rest of these things and then put them back inside the fridge, make some shakshuka, and then we're gonna bath. I want to try peel these onions because I think they're the ones that mess up the fish, and that annoys me anyway. So I'm thinking I should kind of peel them and then put them in the fridge. One thing about me, I am easily influenced, okay? So my husband is putting on like a full-blown summer outfit. And I'm like, say less. You know, sometimes it's weird working with somebody who's like wearing shorts and a t-shirt and you're there in a whole tracksuit or like neat wear. So I pulled up this denim dress, very short dress with some sambas and this cap. I will show you guys though. My husband is wearing like shorts, summer shorts, and it's summer shirt. But I think it's not too bad since the sun is out, as long as I keep working on the sun. The problem is when I'm under the shade, because then I'll feel the wind and cold and then complain to you guys later. But anyways, let's go. I need to make one stop before we go to the shops. So yeah, let's go. This is pretty much everything we bought. I don't have a lot of memory in my phone, so I don't have time to take you through everything. But basically just some cheese, mayo, laundry pots, cooking oil, pasta, yogurt. Obviously, like I did say, it was just stuff that we don't have. We didn't get a lot of cheddar cheese because we usually do that in Poundland. But we got some TP because we felt like it was cheaper in Aldi. So I think sometime in the month we're gonna top up on laundry pots as well as like lotion, bathing soap, etc, which I will take you guys through. So yeah, this is everything that we got. We also got meat, which we're too lazy to put in our plastics. So I think I'll do this tomorrow because I feel like I'm so tired. We also found this 1 kg. We also found this 1 kg bacon, which made more sense than buying the individual packs. So yeah. Got this Nescafe sticky toffee pudding latte. We're gonna try this together. It's the dessert edition. I thought it was gonna be nice. I was conflicted. It was either getting this or the Costa sachets, but I ended up opting for this because it looks so good. But we'll try it together tomorrow. I promise you guys will taste the Nescafe together. So here goes. It's so hot, but it's so good. Oh my god, I love it. It smells so good as well. Yeah, this is about where I usually put like my water. I know some people use milk. I'm not a huge fan of milk like that, so I just add water. Our car's due for a service and MOT, which is basically like a test that's done yearly to check if the car is like still roadworthy. So we're driving out to a town that we've never been to before. I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce it correctly, but it's called Abbw Vale. Abbw Vale. I'll write it down on the screen for you guys to see. So as we're driving through, my husband and I saw some signs of places that we actually did Google to see what we can do, and one of those places is the Owl Sanctuary, which we will see later on that we actually did go and visit. So yeah, we honestly didn't have such a pleasant time in this small town. There were a lot of stairs, and I've never experienced anything like this since I came to the UK, and neither did my husband. But anyways, we passed by McDonald's to have a quick little bite while we waited for the car, and then we'll carry on with you guys. We'll see you later. My husband and I were walking on the other side of this building. I will insert a video right after this. And it looked like an elevator. So I was so confused, like, what is this place? So we went to the other side of the road, which is what you can see right now. And do you guys see that little thing taking people up and down? That is crazy. I literally said technology. Festival Park.
Mr. T.
Patron Luna. Really, thank you. Oh, Yogi. Yogi, darling. But I pity Lela sort. Where's on the Dinak? Hela. Dear. Yeah, so say. Oh my word. You're so scary. Can't even see it.
Ash. Ash.
Scarlet's scary. Smokey. Hello. Hello. Hi, Peaches. Trying to focus. Peaches so much.
I'm one of them. He likes that.
Come here. Think I've got food because I don't. Come here. Fist bump.
Aww.
What breed are they?
Pygmies.
Pygmies. So.
Well, about a year and a couple of months now, aren't they, Pat? I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
They're our professional gardeners.
Cinnamon with red eyes. Jesus. Didn't. Shut the hell out, Lynette. And these are very nice. Oh.
At the roundabout, take the first exit on B4486 Market Square.
Hey guys, I'm trying to make banana and oatmeal pancakes. So I just saw like some recipes on TikTok. Some people are using like 2 bananas, some are using 1. So I decided to use like around 1.5 bananas, 1 egg, and then some oats. I'll just show you guys how it turns out.
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. Now tell me what you need. Look back and tell me what it means. Head on my pillow, staring out the window. Trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my door. And O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why?
I managed to turn them. This one was a bit of a problem to turn, but at least I managed. I still have a little bit more left. I think 1 or 2 pancakes will come out from here. I think I'm done. Did you only appetizer again?
Hello? Yeah, I wanted to arrange an appointment. Yeah.
They what?
They look but they chose to go.
Thank you, baby. I just realized that I didn't talk to you guys to give you a little bit of a debrief after the all century type of situation. So in the voiceover, I did explain that as in a small town called Abbw Vale, there were a lot of people staring at us guys. Honestly made us so uncomfortable, so uncomfortable. The town actually, not even the Al Century. The Al Century was fine. We didn't find a lot of people there. I think there were like, I could be wrong, but 2 workers and then like 3 to 4 tourists, like just a family with their kids. That place was fine. The guy at the garage was super nice, so helpful. But the actual people in the town, because we actually did take a walk, you know, while waiting for the car, and then we went to McDonald's to grab something. It was so uncomfortable walking in the town center. Like people were staring at us and literally just talking about us and did not even hide it. Like guys, it was terrible. I kid you not. But I'm so glad we got to see, like, there was a place that we passed with some ducks. It was so pretty, and we actually did not pay at the Al Century. It's free, which is very interesting. Like for me, being a Botswana, we believe like owls are sent for witchcraft. I almost could not believe my husband and I actually going to see mirubisi, like we call them in Setswana. Like what the heck. But we did go. They had some goats and Speedy. How ironic. Anyways, I just thought let me give you guys that little bit of insight. I just wanted to close this vlog right here. I know it's a little bit shorter than the last one, but I promise I'll do better next time. If you did not watch my ads while watching this vlog, please go back. Please go and watch this vlog again, and this time don't skip the ads. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.